Feeling a craving for the latest, greatest new gadget? Open your phone, press a few buttons, and with a ding to your bank account and as little as 1 day's wait, it will be right at your door. Such conveniences can make it easy to take for granted everything that needs to happen to create this reality. How does a parcel, often manufactured and packaged halfway around the globe, make it to almost anywhere you can demand? Let's take a look and find out how we got here. Trade of goods across long distances has existed since antiquity. Waterways were the earliest methods for long-distance trade, with simple boats built from reeds transporting pottery between villages in the Fertile Crescent region through the Persian Gulf as far back as 5500 BC. The domestication of horses around 4800 BC and the following development of wheeled wagons and roads enabled the movement of goods at a speed and volume never before possible. The first major long-distance trade route emerged between Mesopotamia and the Indus Valley around 3000 BC, enabling the movement of luxury goods such as spices, textiles, and precious metals. However, while such trade could move goods from one population center to another, getting a parcel straight to your front door is another matter. The first use of a postal system was in Egypt around 2400 BC, but the mail only went one way, with pharaohs using couriers to send decrees throughout their territory. A more advanced postal system was built in Persia by King Cyrus the Great around 550 BC. Expert horsemen, working from dusk till dawn, crossed treacherous weather to carry mail through a complex relay system, allowing messages to cross the massive Persian Empire in only days. But historic postal systems differed from long-distance trade routes in what they transported and how far they'd take it. There was no international postage, and they delivered only lighter letters, not parcels. The practice of transporting parcels through the mail began in the 15th century in some German states. However, mail coaches and horse-drawn trams had limited capacity and could only carry small packages. The development of railroad networks throughout Germany in the 19th century changed that, with nationwide parcel delivery established in 1873 for packages up to 50 kilograms in weight and 1 cubic meter in size. Other nations quickly followed suit. Here at Beyond Now, with offices in both Pakistan and the United States, our work would be very limited with mere domestic parcel shipping. But thanks to modern parcel postage, we're collaborating together from across the globe. We're also building a shop where soon our viewers everywhere will have beautifully designed t-shirts, mugs, and other merchandise shipped straight to their door. In those times, some nations had treaties with each other to get each other's mail. But the system was far from complete. That changed in 1874 when 22 countries, with many more to quickly follow, joined the General Postal Union, soon renamed the Universal Postal Union, which to this day sets international standards for mail exchange. In 1881, the Universal Postal Union expanded their standards to include parcels, for the first time making it easy for a package to travel the world and land at your door. In the over 140 years since, parcel postage has advanced rapidly. Shipping containers now travel on ever-growing cargo ships across transatlantic and Pacific routes and are dropped onto trucks to travel across highways, eventually making it to your local post office, where smaller trucks deliver your box to your door, or for more difficult routes. And when you need your package fast, it can be loaded onto an airplane and often make it to you overnight. Huge fleets of cargo planes are owned by private companies such as UPS, FedEx, and DHL. While from the very beginning of parcel delivery, many nations had private companies competing with government postal services, private postage has only grown over time, with the competition leading to many innovations in express delivery, package tracking, and more. While you'll probably never receive a package in as short a time as it takes to like this video and subscribe to Beyond Now, many further innovations are just on the horizon. Same-day delivery is expected to become more and more common. Companies such as Amazon have grown large enough to own their own delivery services and are experimenting with new methods to speed deliveries, such as using unmanned drones, to help their customers get their packages faster. Additionally, the rise of the gig economy has enabled individuals to earn money by using their own cars to transport parcels from warehouses to houses, a sector likely to grow in the near future. Throughout history, almost every type of vehicle ever produced has been used to deliver parcels, and there's no reason to expect that will change. As speedy methods of long-distance transport like Hyperloop or suborbital spaceflights come to fruition, they're likely to be used to get your packages to you faster. Parcel postage has come a long way from its ancient origins. It has transformed how we trade and connect with each other across distances. Who knows what new possibilities await us in the future? How has international shipping changed the way that you live? And how has its connection of the globe changed the world around you? Join the conversation and predict the future with us down in the comments. Beyond Now is a new channel dedicated to helping people connect with humanity and the universe's past, and to inspire them to dream about the future. We have big plans to create much more content doing just that, in addition to liking, commenting, and subscribing. We hope you'll also consider supporting Beyond Now to enable us to continue making videos and grow our channel by becoming a patron. Our Patreon offers a community to think big with other supporters and to get early access to Beyond Now videos and bonus content. No matter how you choose to support us, we truly appreciate it. We rely on viewer support, and your help enables us to achieve our goal of spreading human connection and inspiration. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Beyond Now.